You're the
No, pero no miras.
What is it that we need to buy?
All you gotta use is a brush. You buy it at Walmart, the Black & Decker, for about $5. It's for wood and for metal. And all you gotta do is like go over it for about a minute. Just brush it with the wire brush, and it'll become brand new. You don't have to paint them or buy new ones. That way you don't have to replace them. It only takes a few minutes. As you can see, coming through. Oh, you can do the bottom one as well. Look at it.
What about the front door?
You don't have to do the. Oh yeah, I just did it a while ago. But you can do both sides. But inside, really, you don't have to do it.